Do you even know how much makeup you have? I don't. Countless. It's everywhere. It's on my counter in my bathroom, it's under my sink. I even have some in my closet. And let's throw skincare in there as well. I'm always trying new things. I love it. I love makeup, I love skincare, so it's fun. But we all have our favorites, don't we? I'm talking about those things that you panic if you run out or you get really low and you immediately go out and rebuy. Here are 5 of my must-haves that I will never let myself run out of. Number 1, the Watermelon Dew Drops by Glow Recipe. I've talked about this product ad nauseum. I absolutely love it. And this one is one that I'm going to call skincare and makeup because it can be used in so many different ways. Absolute must-have. I'm on my 4th bottle, about to get my 5th. This one's one of my all-time favorites. It's the Pro Pencil by Anastasia. I've been getting this for 10 or 15 years. I always have one on hand. It's great being a pencil, gives you a lot more control, and I use it for some smaller areas around my mouth, corners of my eyes, maybe around my nose here. And it goes on very creamy, blends really well, and is the perfect shade for me. Love it. This third one is a new must-have that I've just started using. If you saw my video on the Bethany Frankel Drugstore Makeup Challenge, I discovered it. It was one of the items that she recommended. It is the Hello Halo Highlighter by Wet n Wild. Amazing. I will never go without this again. I used it on my cheeks. I used it on my nose. I used it as an eyeshadow. Phenomenal. This 4th one is a setting powder by Kat Von D, and I got it as a sample with one of my Sephora orders, and I was blown away. I generally do not use powder. It sinks into all my creases, and all the tips and tricks that everybody talks about don't usually work. This powder, if I use just a little bit of it, really sets in everything without giving me the creases. It's fantastic. Love it. And my 5th one is this eyeshadow primer by Milani. I actually just started using eyeshadow primer thanks to TikTok, and it's really great. I don't know why I was not doing it before. Milani, this one goes on really easily, sinks in really quickly, and really, really holds my eyeshadow in and stops the bleeding from my mascara onto my eyeshadow. Here's a list of all the products I just went over. You can also find all of these on my Amazon page in the list titled Makeup and Beauty Must-Haves, or you can just copy and paste the link provided on the page here.